Hi folks, today we're going to look at some rounding. First of all, we're going to look at rounding to the nearest 10. If I had the number 53 and I'm asked to round to the nearest 10, the first thing I need to do is work out where the 10s are. The 10s are that 50. So I need to work out which 10 this is closest to. Now 53 sits in between 50 and 60. Which 10 is 53 closer to? Well, 55 would be in the middle. That means 53 would be about here, so it's closer to 50. So rounding 53 to the nearest 50 would be 50. Let's look at another example. 372. This time I'm going to round it to the nearest 100. The 3 represents the 100 because it's 372. So we need to look at the two closest hundreds. This number, 372, lies between 300 and 400. In the middle, we'd have 350. The middle's really important. It helps us work out whether to go up or down when we're rounding. Now, 372 would be somewhere around here because it'd be bigger than 350. So 372, if we're rounding to the nearest 100, would round to 400. Looking at one more example, 769. We're going to round this one to the nearest 10. The 6 represents the 10 because we said 760, so that's 10s, 769. So we need to look at which 10 it's closest to. It's in between 760 and 770, and we know the middle is 765. It's 769, so that's about here. So the closest 10 is 770. Let's look at two more. 3,457. We're going to round this number to the nearest hundreds. Which number is the 100? 3,457. The 4 must be the 100. So we need to work out which 100 is nearest. 3,457 is in between 3,400 and 3,500. In the middle would be 3,450. So where does 3,457 fit? Well, that must be just above this bit. And everything on this side of the line will be closer to this number. So everything that is that middle number and above will round up. So this number would round to 3,500. One more question. 1,357. We're going to round this number to the nearest 1,000. Which number is in the position of thousands? Well, remember we have ones, tens, hundreds, and then we have the thousands. So that 1,000 is the nearest 1,000. Now, because we're rounding to the nearest 1,000, I look at whether that is 1,000 or whether it's the next one up, 2,000. The middle would be 1,500. And this number is 1,357. So that would be around about here. So because that's on this side of the middle, that's going to round down. So the answer would be 1,000. You're going to have a go today at Hegarty Maths clip 17. You can watch my video again, or you can watch his video as well if you need a bit more explanation and you need to listen to somebody else explain. It's really important that you try and watch the video and complete Hegarty Maths clip 17.